The overall goal of this personalized script-driven imagery experiment and clinical survey is to study trauma-related dissociative phenomena in traumatized individuals with borderline personality disorder, or BPD.
This method can help answer key questions in the area of clinical psychology, such as whether the prevailing type of primary reaction, arousal versus dissociation, would account for two major types of clinical profiles and reaction patterns to trauma-related stimuli. The main advantage of this technique is the corroboration of findings across measures within a single research survey by using an integrated assessment including reliable psychophysiological parameters and an extensive psychodiagnostic battery.
The implications of this technique extend towards diagnosis and therapy of borderline personality disorder because there is a high prevalence of traumatic antecedents among individuals with this diagnosis and a particularly difficult to treat BPD group with severe chronic dissociative disorders has been identified in the research and in clinical practice.
Though this method can provide insight into etiological mechanisms, it can also be applied to study other trauma-related disorders.
Prior to the trial, record the introductory instructions for the experimental procedure and participant tasks over the course of the experiment, and save them in the appropriate format within a scripting language-based stimuli presentation software. Within the software, play back each script 3 times and insert 4 sequential